Hello students, today we'll start with the next topic, that is microbes in biogas production. So here, what do we mean by biogas? Biogas are a group or a mixture of gases which are inflammable and they are a huge source of energy. So they can be used for household activities. Okay, so this biogas are a mixture of gases which are a source of energy. Okay, so when we say biogas, it's not just methane. Okay, you remember in the last lecture we discussed biogas production, means the anaerobic microbes produce the biogas production, methanogens produce biogas. So when we say methanogen, it's not just they produce methane. Biogas are a mixture of gases. So what is the mixture? They will consist of methane. You have to remember the composition. Methane, which is 70 to 75%, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and also hydrogen. So this mixture of gases are methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen. So this will be produced by the anaerobic microbes. Anaerobic microbes or methanogen. So these methanogen, an example of methanogen is methanobacterium. Methanobacterium, which is found in the rumen of cattle. You know, rumen is a part of stomach in cattle, so they are found in the rumen of cattle. Since this methanobacterium are found in the rumen of cattle, when the cattle will give dung, okay, the cow dung, those dung will consist of these methanobacteria. That is why this dung, or like we say gobar, this dung is used for the production of biogas, because in this dung we will get the maximum amount of methanobacteria. Okay, so for biogas production there is a process or a plant. Like for sewage treatment, we had a sewage treatment plant, primary treatment, secondary treatment. Here there are certain big tanks where the dung will be processed to produce biogas. So we'll see. So first, here will be the dung along with water, which is known as slurry, S-L-U-R-R-Y, slurry. Okay, so this slurry will be transferred to a digester. In this digester, the anaerobic microbes will be there, which will produce the gas. So from the digester, there will be another tank, which is the sludge. Here the waste will be stored. Okay, and here there will be a tank where there will be gas and there will be a gas outlet. Okay, there will be a gas outlet. Now we'll see the different functions. The process is, first I told you from dung will get biogas or methanogen or the methanobacterium. So we have to take the dung. We have taken the slurry, which is the dung and water. That is transferred to the digester. The digester will consist of anaerobic microbes. Digester consists of anaerobic microbes. So these anaerobic microbes will work on the dung and will produce gases, methane, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The different gases will be produced, and then there will be some waste. So the waste is stored in the sludge in this tank. Okay, a sludge in this tank, and the gases, these will be taken through the gas outlet to different households for different purposes. In households for different purposes the biogas is used. So this is the gas from directly from the gas outlet, the gas is taken to different households. This is a short topic, so you just have to know the process of biogas production. Here next, two things you have to remember. One is IARI and another one is AVIC. Now, the government has taken steps to increase the biogas production in India. So for that, there are two institutes. Okay, so IARI is Indian Agricultural Research Institute. This is one. The next one is AVIC, Khadi and Village Commission. Okay, so these two institutes, they have taken steps to increase the production of biogas. So here, remember these two institute names. Definition of biogas, which gases are present in biogas, since it's a mixture of gases, this process and the names. Okay, so this is done. In the next class I'll start, or in the next lecture I'll start a different topic. Thank you.